Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install updates in Sitecore. So let's get started. Let me log in Sitecore CMS and we will see the demo there. I am present inside Sitecore CMS. To install the update, we need to go to Control Panel. Here we have option to install an update. We need to click here. We will be redirected to Sitecore Update Installation Wizard. So from here we can install the update. Before installing the update, we need to take care that we need to have the backup of the databases as well as for the code. So in case anything goes wrong, you can restore the backup. So here I will select the package. You can see already pre-installed packages are present here. I have added the package. I will click on package information. So this is a test package that I have created. In the update package, you might get more information on this. So in README, you will be having information on what are the things that are going to install. After this, I will click on Analyze the package. This will provide the information after analyzing the package. These are some of the messages that it provides. It also says overwritten related files are saved in backup folder. And here we need to click on Analyze. Before that, we can also have check or uncheck these advanced options: install file, items, execute post steps, cleanup history, cleanup event queue before installation. After this, we will need to click on Analyze. This is a test package, so here it is saying 0 actions were analyzed. In the update package, you will get all the information related to this, and it will check whether all those things are compatible with your Sitecore version or not. I will click on analysis result. Here it is saying no problems were found, and here we can directly install the package. So installation is complete. We can go to installation result, and package is successfully installed. Yeah, so following this step, we can install the package or we can install the update package. So that's it from the demo part. Let me switch back to slides. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.